Hello, this is Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute card using the Autumn Goodness bundle. Here's the card and here's the supplies for the card, and here's the bundle. So in the bundle you have all these cute little pictures and the dies to cut them out. You've got this flower bouquet, pumpkins, hay bale, and of course the wheelbarrow and wheel, which is I think the cutest thing here. And then the dies have extras like the wheelbarrow and this cute little wheel, and then the fence, the textured fence, really cool. And there's texture in the wheelbarrow too. This card is pretty simple to put together once you have all the elements stamped and cut out. So I've got the wheelbarrow and the wheel stamped and cut out, as well as this flower bouquet. I used markers to color it. I used crushed curry, pretty peacock, which is our featured color of this card, garden green, calypso coral, and crushed curry. So pretty peacock, I used the plaid tidings designer series paper, which is going on sale October 1st, as well as 14 other designer series paper, so 15 in total. So it's 15% off 15 designer series papers. So you definitely want to check that out. So everything is on dimensionals, but we are going to just glue this little spoke to the wheelbarrow. We're gonna have to wait for some glue. While we're waiting for some glue, I'm gonna open this up and stamp Thankful. Got some fuzz on here. So let's clean this off. Make sure there's nothing on here when we're stamping. Definitely want to have a clean, crisp stamp. And sometimes, honestly, using baby wipes, some of the cotton fibers can get on your stamp and then cause you not to stamp so cleanly, so just be aware of that. Okay, we should have some glue now, by now, right? There we go. Okay, so now we can put dimensionals on everything. Whoops, uh-oh. We've glued the wheel to the dimensionals. Let's glue it to the wheelbarrow. So let's start with this. And then this square is cut out with the stitched shapes, and this was cut out with the stitched rectangles. And then we have the wheelbarrow here, as well as the wheel cut out with the Autumn Wheelbarrow Dies. So to put this card together, it's really easy. We're just going to stack everything on top of each other. This is one of my favorite papers from the plaid tidings papers. So pretty. So we'll just add that right there. And we'll add our wheelbarrow. Right there. And we'll add our flowers on top. Super quick, simple, easy card, but super fun. So there's our card. So as always, I'm offering a class which includes 2 of these cards, 2 bridge cards. So a bridge card goes like this and stands up on its own, but also folds flat for mailing. And then 2 watercolor cards. So you can go to my website, elainescreations.net. You've got a couple days left to enter the September hostess code and place a $30 order. just email me and let me know you would like the Autumn Goodness Card Kit class for free, and I will send it to you. You can also pick one of my other classes that I have here in my events tab under Elaine's Creations Facebook page, and so check that out as well on facebook.com/Elaine's Creations, and go to the events page, and then you'll see my list of classes, events, and then those are also my classes, and you can pick from those as well. I'm also offering a free card class this Thursday, October 1st. And this is the free card class. So if you are on my mailing list, go to my website to get on my mailing list. You can make this card along with me. This is a trifold card. Isn't that fun? And we are going to learn how to make this card. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can check out all my videos. Bye.